Welcome to the certificate course on US individual taxation. Before we get into the subject, let us understand a few words that we will be frequently using in this course. What is IRS? IRS is the Internal Revenue Services, which is a department of the US government which is responsible for collecting taxes. It is a very powerful department of the US government which is responsible for collecting taxes from all the persons of the United States. Now, persons does not only include individuals but also includes corporations, estates, trusts, partnerships, LLPs, etc. Apart from collecting taxes, the IRS is also responsible for giving tax-related feedback to the government, conducting audits, and punishing the defaulters. The US Federal Individual Income Tax was enacted in the year 1913 following passage of the 16th Amendment. Now, US has a very complicated tax system wherein tax is levied by the federal government. Apart from that, you also have taxes which are levied by the state government. And depending on the state where you belong from, some municipalities also levy something called as county tax. So there is federal income tax, state income tax and county income taxes in certain cases. SSN. SSN stands for Social Security Number. The Social Security Number is a unique number which is given to each citizen of the United States. The US government tracks the welfare schemes and taxes paid by each individual with the help of the SSN. What is the financial year that is used in the United States? The financial year used in the United States is Jan to December, which is also the tax year. This is unlike most countries which use April to March. Also, please remember the date format that is used in the United States is month, date and then year. This is again different from most countries which use date, month and year. Next, let us understand who is an expatriate. An expatriate, for the purpose of our course, is a citizen of the United States who is resident in another country. Who is an impatriate? An impatriate is a citizen of any country other than the United States but a resident of the United States. A resident alien is a foreigner who has gotten residency in the United States. W-2. What is Form W-2? Form W-2 is a form which is filed by each employer on behalf of their employee containing details of the tax withheld of their employees. With the help of Form W-2, employees can claim a credit at the end of the year while filing tax return. Next, what is Form 1040 and Form 1040NR? We will be covering this in much detail in the later topics. However, please understand that Form 1040 and 1040NR are the forms which are used by individuals in the United States to file their tax returns.